abi niya lagi ka ng kuan, ka ng dili tayo ugang inahan. Karon, na 3 years old, pagka 3 years old siyang anak, mura patagkan ka ng, sa diri sa ato pa diri no, kapailan ginang kaso, yan ang ikawat bitaw. Pero dili po siya kapail, kay dili man sila kasado. Oh, asa man dapit nga nahimo kong mistress? Gikuha ang bata, o gipalayo sa iya. Nakuratan na lang siya nga nibalik ang kanang nilaag ang bata sa iya ha. Nga kuan ang edad ulitaw na. 20 na. E sige nagakontak ay hantod nag birthday atong September 27. Ni kuan na siya nag 25 years old. Oh. Asa man dapita nga nahimo kog mistress? Ha? Which part that me, mistress? Oh my God. I let you to know, Elian, that my boyfriend, when I met him in the dating site, he is a single dad. Okay? He's the one take care of his son until in 3 years old. And suddenly, he did not expected that the mother of it, like no permission, pick up the kid and run away. So he cannot file for the mother because they are not married. Oh, which part that I become a mistress? They are not married. When the son of my boyfriend, the mother of it pick up the son, 3 years old. Imagine that. I'm not making up a story. I will let to know to the alien because you keeping. I'm not hurt that you to call me a mistress. I was so loved. Maybe your friend, not me. Because how come you have a proof? I meet my boyfriend. He's a single dad. Yeah, he take care of his son when he was a baby because the mother of that time left with it, ran away.